Hello, this is Zizi from Team POG. Following our session on 3D models, today we will be covering HDRI, Photo, Alpha Texture. These are the three tabs located at the bottom of the categories on our homepage. Let's learn how to use each of these features in 3D tools. This is a category we've covered in a previous video. If you're interested in that video, you can check it out here. Now let's quickly learn how to use HDRI in Unreal Engine 5. First, download the desired HDRI from the POG website, just like you would with 3D models. Open Unreal Engine 5, install the HDRI Backdrop plugin, and then restart Unreal Engine 5. Drag and drop the HDRI you downloaded earlier into your project file. Place the HDRI using the HDRI Backdrop plugin and add a toad sensor to check the reflection and quality of the HDRI. So, why use HDRI? In 3D rendering, using HDRI can achieve highly realistic lighting. By using HDRI images as environment maps, you can apply the lighting information from the actual photographed scene to the 3D scene, resulting in natural lighting effects. Additionally, it is efficient. HDRI allows for easy implementation of natural and complex lighting without intricate lighting setups, which helps save time and effort in production. The method for using HDRI in Substance 3D Painter is similar. Open Substance 3D Painter and load the toad sensor asset. Set the properties of the downloaded HDRI file to Environment and import it. Drag and drop the desired HDRI file into the Environment Map property in the Environment Settings tab. Then, proceed with the settings as desired and observe the light reflecting on the object. This way, you can also use HDRI in Substance 3D Painter. Photos are used to enhance the details of 3D modeling. You can use photos in two ways, as references or for quality enhancement. In the reference category, you can download images to use as references for your modeling. Using images from different angles can be really helpful for your modeling process. Photos can also be used for quality enhancement beyond just as references. For example, let's take a concrete pillar. We can use a photo to create cracks on the wall. Import the photo as a texture attribute in Substance Painter. Apply the original photo to the base color, roughness, and height channels. Doing this allows for more detailed creation than adjusting parameters alone. Change the projection to triplanar and adjust it to fit the position. Next, add a black mask layer and add a paint effect to the initially created fill layer. Set the brush color to white and reveal the mask, applying the texture as if painting. Click on the original layer, not the mask layer, and add a levels effect to adjust each texture attribute. This makes the photo adhere more naturally to the model. Then, click on the black mask layer again to finally edit the texture of the 3D model. Now, it's complete. By applying photos in this way, like painting on a pattern, you can quickly and easily add details. Adding such details can help you create higher quality projects. Alpha textures are also used to enhance the details of 3D models. First, import the alpha texture file you downloaded from POG into Substance 3D Painter. Make sure to set the file's properties to alpha texture. There are two main ways to use alpha textures. The first method is to apply textures to 3D models using a brush. Create a fill layer, right-click on it, and click Add Black Mask and add paint as well. Then, apply the alpha texture file you downloaded from POG to the Alpha tab. This way, you can intuitively enhance the details of your 3D model textures, just like using a brush in Photoshop. The second method is to enhance details using a black mask. This time, import the alpha texture into Substance 3D Painter as a texture property. Choose a color for the fill layer, right-click, and select Add Fill. Next, insert the desired alpha texture into the Grayscale tab. Change the projection setting to triplanar and adjust the properties to fit the size of your asset. This allows you to use the pattern to designate and change the colors in areas outside of the pattern. You can also use the pattern directly this way. Just like how a single pattern image can be used in various ways in Photoshop, alpha textures can be used in multiple ways without limitations. In this session, we explored how to use 3 categories: HDRI, photo, and alpha texture. This video is just a guide provided by POG for utilizing these categories. Don't limit yourself to the ideas presented in our guide. Unleash your own creativity. POG will always be with you. If you want to stay updated with the latest news from POG and the 3D world, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. We will return with even better videos. Thank you.